Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the TecNiq Black Aluminum SteelHead LED Flood Beam Work Light. Has a 750 lumen output. Now this is a nice rectangular LED work light which will provide a nice bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and recreational applications. This does give off a flood beam which will illuminate a nice wide area, so it is great for work trucks, utility vehicles, and fishing boats. Does use a nice clear lens over two white LEDs, and they are premium LEDs which are energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. Now at the end of this video I am going to hook this up to some 12 volt power to show you how bright the light is, but first I want to go over a few features of the light. It does use a military grade construction of the circuit boards. It does offer urethane potting which offers better protection than common epoxy potting. Does offer thermal regulation, protects against overheating, and if you can see, it is a nice durable black powder coat aluminum housing to resist corrosion, and it is sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. It is a very easy installation. You can see it has a single bolt pedestal style bracket, and it uses stainless steel hardware for installation, and that bracket is adjustable. You can see it'll let you adjust the angle of the light as you need it. Once you get it into position, just tighten it down. You can see the pigtail wires, there's two of them. One's a power, one's a ground. It does hardwire to your application. Wire length on it is about 9 inches. It is compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. A few dimensions on this light we're going to measure. The overall length from one end to the other end, right at 3 inches. The height, now the height we're going to measure if it was installed, so the bottom of the mounting bracket to the very top of the light. So if we put our ruler on that, it's going to be right about 3 inches tall. And then the total depth of the light, front to back, it's going to be right at 2 inches deep. Light output on this is 750 lumens. Power draw at 12 volts is 0.52 amps. At 24 volts, 0.26 amps. So what we're going to do now, let's go ahead and hook this up. And once we get it hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the power. Turn on our 12 volt power, and you can see with our 12 volt power on, the lights lit up. Go ahead and turn off our overhead lights, and you can see for the two LEDs, gives you a nice wide flood beam, and it does cover a very nice large area. What I am going to do is go ahead and zoom back out to show you the larger area, how much it covers. Show you the back there. And we'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq Black Aluminum SteelHead LED Flood Beam Work Light with the 750 lumen output.